If you want to track your website traffic, understand your visitors, and make smarter marketing decisions, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website, step by step. And the best part is, you can do it for free without using a plugin. Whether you're running a business site, a portfolio, or a small online store, connecting Google Analytics helps you see what's working and what needs improvement. So if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software walkthroughs just like this. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have a valid Google sign-in, your Google Analytics measurement ID, which usually starts with G for Google Analytics 4, or your tracking ID if you're using an older Universal Analytics setup, and of course, an active GoDaddy account. Having those ready will make the process much faster. Now first, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to the My Product page. This is where all of your GoDaddy services and website tools are managed, so it's the place you need to be to access your website settings. From the Products page, look for the Websites and Marketing section. When you find your site, click Manage to open it. This takes you into the main dashboard for your GoDaddy website, where you can edit content, design, and tracking settings. Next, from the main menu, click the Edit Website button. This opens the Website Builder, which is where GoDaddy lets you make changes to your site's layout and settings. Once the editor loads, look to the top right corner and click Settings. This is an important step because the Analytics option is stored inside your site settings, not in the page content itself. After you click Settings, you'll see a drop-down menu. Under Analytics and Tracking, click Google Analytics. This is the section where GoDaddy allows you to connect your Analytics account directly. Now you'll see a box where you can enter your Google Analytics ID. Type in your measurement ID if you're using Google Analytics 4, and make sure it starts with G. If you're using an older setup, enter your tracking ID that starts with UA. Be careful here and double-check the ID before continuing, because if the ID is incorrect, your analytics data won't be recorded properly. Once the ID is entered, click Publish. This is what saves your changes and pushes the Google Analytics connection live on your GoDaddy website. After publishing, Google Analytics should begin collecting data for your site, though it may take some time before you start seeing reports inside your Analytics dashboard. And that's it. Your Google Analytics is now connected to your GoDaddy website. With this setup complete, you can start monitoring traffic, visitor behavior, and page performance more effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.